Good evening, guys. How are we all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. This is our Bitcoin evening update. So if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button, we will go straight over to those charts, and things are all of a sudden looking better for Bitcoin now. That was the low, that test of that horizontal and that trend line. That was the local low. Obviously, I don't want to jinx things for us, but yeah, it was obviously the local low, regardless of what happens now. I mean, even if we do come down, take it out, and take out this horizontal and come down, it obviously was a good buy level. So realistically, I mean, this is the level I was talking about, almost exactly to where we are now. We just got to get above here, get above this 11,900, and we will be looking really good again. We clear this level here. Yeah, things will be looking good. Then I mean, bullish wise, the bullish case, worst case, we play out this little bit of a range for a bit and then break up, or we could pretty much find ourselves breaking up anyway. So yeah, things are obviously what a difference a day makes. Obviously everything was looking bad the past couple of days, and now we do look to be looking better. Altcoins were getting hit as well hard during this pull down, and they seem to be recovering quite nicely, so that is actually quite good. We will quickly look at the dollar index. As you can see, that had a pullback last couple of days, and is now coming back down, a clear lower high, and I mean, it just looks like it'll be a lower low. There's not really anything below this level, below this major horizontal, so if we come down again, take that out, I would expect we will be taking this out and coming down lower. So that is that. Also, we'll just have a look at the BTC BTCD. Well, I didn't make any changes. BTCD, we'll just have a look at that, because this, as you can see, well, yeah, I mean, you can pretty much see what happened. We had this level in, and we this is on the 4 hour time frame. We back tested it, yeah, and then we are now coming back down. So yeah, I would probably say that the trend is your friend, and yeah, I would be looking for new lows in this, which would be obviously very good for altcoins. You can see it's pulling down a bit as we speak. So anyway, that is those done. So back over to Bitcoin. Yeah, I mean, I mean, we've got here's a daily candle. You can see obviously rejection here, come back up, and now we obviously have a green candle today, and what we realistically need is to close above here, which is on the daily chart around 12,000, to have a nice daily candlestick analysis follow through the price action to the upside. That will probably will be activated on the daily time frame of breaking above there. I mean, but it is roughly the same obviously on the lower time frames. It obviously corresponds with this level here, that you can see, and you can clearly see getting above there. We will basically be breaking out this triangle. I know we had the fake out, came back and tested the triangle again, and yeah, a breakout, I mean a break above again. I feel that will be the one that will take us take us to this projected target, which is around 13k. So that is what I'm looking for there. Stochastics, let's have a look at those, because I am sure they are looking good. 4 hour turn back up and a lot of room to run. 10 hour looking like it's gonna turn back up soon. 12 hour hasn't though. 12 hour is still weighing price action. But I mean, like I've been saying with the daily, I mean, this is starting to look like a bullish reset. If we're going to be sitting around 11,900, guys, this is going to just come down, turn around, and then you'd expect price action to push up. I mean, daily again, bullish reset looking like, as soon as we do find a level we turn back up from and have a consistent move up, that will obviously coincide with a breakout of up here. And we will have a look at the 3-day also. Yeah, 3-day stochastic again is starting to turn back up, but it's just hanging in there. He is hanging in there. So yeah, things are not looking too bad momentum wise. Obviously 4 hour pointing up, and then once the 10 and the 12 hour do and turn that daily up, I think that will be what triggers us to break out the top of this triangle, in all fairness. That is what I am expecting and looking for. So yeah, back over to that 4-hour chart. Let's get in there. But yeah, so yeah, pretty much a test of the, well, whichever you look at, horizontal trend line, back up, and yeah, if we break back out of here, maybe play out this range a little bit, but then once we take this out, I don't think it will be a fake out next time. Obviously clear invalidation points. Not only do we have this trend line and this horizontal, we now have an actual touch of it, so we have a low candle wick to denote potential further downside if we break or close below, and that's at 11,500. So that just adds to that. So we'll have a look at a couple of other world markets whilst we are at it. Silver, you can see in this pennant still. This is a 4-hour. Yeah, getting supported by the bottom of the pennant, and yeah, if we break up, I mean, it will be up and away. Gold, you can see we've got this horizontal drawn in here. We've got the nice 4-hour 9 there. We'll get it on the daily. Daily, we're not gonna have anything TD sequential wise, but you can see realistically we are looking for a breakout of this trend line. What would I expect? Maybe a test of it and a bit of a pullback, but I am expecting this to break to the upside. Gold silver ratio, again, look at it, it's coming down. This is coming down, guys. You can sort of see it in the charts that the silver looks slightly more bullish than the gold chart, but they still do look bullish. Both of them look bullish, but yeah, we take these levels out. We take this level out and come down, and come on, the 30 to 1 well, silver gold ratio. Come on, let's do this. Anyway, so yeah, we'll have a quick look at that S&P. It is making a beeline for that all-time high again. Had the pullback once we got there. And if we look at this on a daily, yeah, you can kind of see we are I mean, realistically, I think we're just digesting this this level because of obviously its significant relevance. But I do clearly think we are going to blast through this and continue upside. The trend is your friend, and there is no reason for anybody to try and step in the way of that steam train. And then Nasdaq doing what Nasdaq does. Basically, this is not bothered about the all-time highs anymore. Obviously, because these all-time highs, we're nowhere near this. But yeah, up and away. Yeah, up. It's just in the channel, guys. Drifting, floating nicely upwards, as bullish as you like. Yeah, there we go. Also, someone did send me a picture of Tesla. So that, I believe that was at $2,000. Yeah, there we go. $2,000 Tesla. Congratulations to all the Tesla bulls. Congratulations to Elon Musk. You did it, sunshine. Well done. Well done. But yeah, well done. Yeah, I don't need to say much else. fair play to you, mate. Yeah. So anyway, back to Bitcoin. Yeah, like I said, we obviously 11,500 is gonna trigger downside to 11,000, and then but we are not looking like that as the likely option. We are looking at these 10 and 12-hour stocks to turn back up with the daily, also with the 3-day up, the 5-day up, the weekly up, the monthly up, the 4-hour up, everything up, every momentum indicator on every time frame of note could potentially be turning up very soon, and that is going to be very difficult for Bitcoin to sell off from, put it that way. Just put it that way. So yeah, I'll have to look into some of these alt positions because I don't want to get caught out in another an altcoin debacle once Bitcoin spikes up. But hey, Bitcoin did spike up, altcoins went down, Bitcoin did come down, altcoins went down. So we could see Bitcoin up, altcoin up, and everything rallying back up. So we could see that. But on initial pushes up on Bitcoin, you do expect money to flow out of alts into Bitcoin. So yeah, that is it, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and yeah, I'll speak to you guys in the morning.